Okay, all right. So this just occurred to me, all right, that I'm not gonna let you spend the whole week doing homework and not do any type B problems from last week. So I changed the format up. I took the graphs out, and so now we're only gonna do type A, type B, type C questions for this week. Okay, so I'm gonna do one of each. All right, really quickly. Okay, less talking, so you don't have to watch as much of this. All right, let's go. All right, let's see. Given a whole, find a percent. Given a whole, find a percent. Okay, all right. Let's do it. All right. So now let's see what type of question this is. Okay. These are all word problems, right? So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. So 1,100 students attend junior high school. 4% of the students bring lunch. How many students? So what's 4% of 1,000? Okay. All right. So what type of question is that? A, B, or C? Yeah, it's type A, right? It's a percent of a number. Okay. 4% of 1,000 is what? Right. So let's see. So set up the proportion. So let's see, 4% out of 1,100 is what? Okay. Okay. All right. That's a type A question. So let's see. Cross multiply and divide. So let's see. 4 times 1,100 is 4,400 divided by 100. So that's 44. Okay. So 44 kids brought lunch to school on Thursday. Okay. Like that. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's do another type of question. Now that's type A, right? So let's see what this is then. All right. What is 63% of, wait, what? Oh, percent of a whole thing. Okay. All right. Did I sign up? All right. Let's see. Find X percent of Y. Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay. All right. So now let's see. Look at this question. Okay. Looks a little weird, I know, because I'm assigning homework and trying to solve this at the same time. All right. So, anyways, now 105 is what percent of 125? What percent, right? So, what type of question is this? Yeah, type B. Okay. And I don't have to rewrite this really that much more than what is already is. So let's have a proportion, right? Now write it like you say it, right? 105 is what per, well, cent out of 125. Okay, got that? All right, so let's see. 105 times 100 divided by 125. 84. Okay, 84% actually. So you see how the answer key has a percent in the back? So that's actually 84%. All right, that's it. Okay, all right, let's do one more and then we'll call it a day. All right, let's see. Given percent. By the way, that's type B, right? Okay, so here we go. Last one. Gabriella made 5% of her free throws over the season. If she shot 180 free throws, how many did she make? Okay, so she made, hold on, let me just double check. Hold on. Okay, the last one was the wrong question. In Delta Math, sometimes the question they show you isn't the exact type that I assigned. So sometimes I have to like, you see how there's a Dropbox here? I got to make sure they're in the right Dropbox. Okay, I was confused for a second. All right, anyways, now here's the actual question. So the 12 students in the environmental club represents 10% of the students in the seventh grade. How many students are in the seventh grade? So this is a type what? Yeah, it's a type C question, okay? So because the question sounds something like this, I'll write it out this time. Okay, the question sounds something like 12 is 10% of what? So meaning they're looking for the whole thing, right? So think of it like this. Okay, I'll write it. I'll write it. So listen to me while I'm writing this. All right. 10%, right? 10% represents 12 out of what whole number? What's the total? Okay, that's what it sounds like. So let's cross multiply and divide. 100 times 12 is 1200 divided by 10, that's 120. All right, so we're going to put 120 in there. right, and that's it. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye now. OMG, that was so good.